Alright everyone, so today we're putting in the E85 flex fuel kit from B&R on the Chevy Cruze. This is a 17 model. I did the first part of the instructions, just disconnecting the battery. I didn't know which one, so I did both. Looks like it's both. The dash still came on, so I don't know if there's still like a small wire connected to the radio, but anyway, did that part. We're gonna keep going. I'm about to get into the fuel line over there. It's right there, it looks like. That little curled line, we're gonna get into that in a second, install it, and I'll update you from there once we get that far. Just gonna take this tool, see if we can do it real quick. Where is it? I may have to get that little that snap holder off, it looks like. We'll have to remove that. I'll have to use both hands, so. But I'll let you know, yeah, that's what this blue thing's for. It snaps in there. They got good pictures. You just slide it in there, and then you disconnect it that way. So,